are doing good. Riya this side and welcome to my channel. So if you don't know, I create content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you're interested, you can subscribe to my channel. In today's video, as you already know by the title, that I'm gonna create this makeup look for Raksha Bandhan. And we all know Raksha Bandhan is around the corner. The look I have created is for everyone. Like, you don't have to think about your outfit, it will match with every outfit. So yes, वो mind में रखते हुए I have created this look. So if you're interested in today's video, keep on watching, and without wasting any more time, let's just start the video. Alright, so I have washed my face and now I'll moisturize my face using aloe vera gel. So aloe vera works as a primer and a moisturizer as well. That's why I have used aloe vera gel. Now moving on to our foundation, I will use this Fit Me foundation because we are not doing a very glamorous kind of look. We are gonna keep it a little simple. That's why I am using this foundation. Also, this is one of the trick that I do. I apply foundation even under my eyes, because फिर जब concealer लगाते हैं तो उससे grey और ashy look नहीं आता है eyes का. And now we'll blend it. To our next step, I will use this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 130 medium. Now as you can see, I have blended the concealer and the foundation perfectly, और वो पूरा स्किन में absorb हो चुका है. और अब without wasting any more time, we will just apply the setting powder ताकि under eyes crease ना करें. And for that, I am using this Lakme loose powder. Now that our base is perfectly done, we can move forward. Now moving on towards the eyes, we will first do eyebrows because they are the must. So yes, we are done with eyebrows, and moving on, we will start doing our eyes. Now for eyes, I am going to use this Wet n Wild palette. If you don't want to buy a lot of eyeshadow palette, then I will suggest you this Wet n Wild palette because it has all the essentials. You can use these shades for daily basis, for party and anywhere. Basically, this has all the colors that you need for any occasion. So now we will start applying the transition shade. Now transition shade, if you don't know, इज द शेड जो आईलिड या फिर हमारे आईज के कलर से एक दो शेड्स डार्कर होती है, जिससे थोड़ी आईज को एक डेप्थ और एक बेस मिल जाता है. सो फॉर दैट वी विल यूज दिस ब्राउनी शेड. नाउ आई विल यूज दिस डार्क ब्राउन शेड टू द आउटर कॉर्नर so that it can give a little more depth on the outer side. Now I will apply this rustic brown shade on the lids of my eyes. And now I will blend it together with the other two shades so that it won't look patchy. Repeating the same procedure on the other eye. see, I am done with the eyeshadow part, and now I will do the eyeliner. So as you can see, I am done with eyeliner, and I tried to do a little winged liner. And now moving on to our next step, which is a white kajal. So yes, lower lash line mein I am gonna apply the white kajal. If you have any colored kajal, you can apply that, but I think you should apply a white or a nude kajal. Like, they are my preference, but if you have any other colored kajal, then you can apply that too. I like to apply white or nude kajal because they give an illusion of big eyes. So I'll show you now. You can see the illusion that white kajal gives. As you can see कैसे white kajal एकदम से different look दे देता है. So the last step is inner corners, and I'm going to use this highlighter. And now we will do our lashes. So I'm not going to apply the false lashes because I don't think a lot of people do that. If you want to apply false lashes, definitely you can apply that. But for now, I am not applying the false lashes. Instead, I am going to curl my lashes and apply the mascara. And for mascara, I'll apply this Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. And now in the end, I'll just take a little bit of this transition shade, mixing with this dark brown shade. And I'll just slightly blend under my eyes. Now moving on to our next step, which is blush and highlighter. So again, I am going to use this palette, and I will use this shade for blush. Now finally, highlighter लगाने के बाद we have reached to our final stage, which is lipstick. And finally, we have reached to our final look, and it looks like this. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you like this video and you like this makeup look that I created. And if you like this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell icon with it too, so that next time I upload a video you will get notified. And happy Raksha Bandhan to all. May you get a lot of gifts, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.